Hey guys, today I will show you step by step how you can easily create this slide zoom presentation. If you like it, 3, 2, 1, let's go. The first thing we will need to do is to color our background. So to go into format background, right click, go format background and select gradient fill. Here we have 4 gradient stops. We will remove 2 and we'll leave just 2 remaining. Make sure the type is linear and direction is the first one, top left to bottom right. Let's select our main black color and then we will select the color that will be in this corner and we will pick purple. Let's move the black gradient to reduce the area of the purple color. For me, it will be around between 45 and 50%.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe.
You can play around until you're happy with the results. Then we go into shapes and we will insert a rectangle with rounded corners. Hold Ctrl Shift and drag it. Okay. This should be okay. Or a bit smaller. Right. Let's make the shape. Let's remove, first of all, the outline. And then let's color the shape in the same color as our background color, purple. Then let's insert the letter. We will have SWOT. So this is our first slide. Insert the letter. And we will go into format shape, text option, and select small shadow. We'll go with the top left. Then we can play around with the angle. I will make it less transparent, just a bit, and we can give to the shape small shadow as well with the same angle. Right. Now we will insert the text. Okay. Let's make the text of the same color. And I will insert generic text here. Make sure you're happy with the position of the text on your slide, because it will be used for the next slides as well. So once we're happy with the first slide, we will duplicate it to the second. So let's move it to this side. Select both and by holding Shift, drag them to the right. Okay, so our second letter is W. Now we see that we have the shape here and the color is here. Let's change it to format background and let's change it to this side. Sorry. And we will change the purple to red color. The same we will do for the text and for the shape. And now we will select the letter, go into text option, and we will change the angle. We can use the presets. So the first we went with this one. Now we'll go with the top right. And we will change the shadow for the shape as well to the same top right. Once we're happy with this, duplicating the slide. Now we will need the shape and the letter in the top left corner. We'll leave the text in the same spot.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe.
And let's go into the gradient fill and change the color. Let's go with lighter green, and let's bring it to the top corner. Let's color the shape, and let's color the text as well. Now let's make sure our shape shadow is correct and our text shadow is the same. And the last slide is letter T. Let's select both, and by holding shift drag them to the left, and by holding shift drag letter shape and letter T to the right. And let's select a blue color. And the shadow. Let's not forget about the shadow. Go into the shape, presets, and this will be the option for the fourth. And this will be the option for the text. Next thing, what we're going to do is to click enter and add a blank slide. Remove everything, bring this slide to the top, go into the slide, insert, and click on the zoom button. Choose the option slide zoom. And here we are asked which slides we want to include on this slide. We will go with all 4, and we will arrange them on the slide. It's easier using grid and guides, so go here, tick here, display drawing guides on screen, and this will help to arrange our shapes correctly. Put them all to the middle and simply extend them.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe.
Cool. Remove the grid and guides, untick this option again, click OK, and here we go. Let's see what we've got. So, going to the first slide, next one. Looks great. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video and find it useful, please give it a like, comment, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.